Hi all. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. Why is it every time I start a video somebody decides to email me? It's a conspiracy. They were watching me. Nah, just kidding. Anyway, hope everybody had a great Christmas. I had a pretty good one this year. It was cold and dry. We didn't get any snow, so yeah, what can I say? The only thing that's exciting that's happened, I guess, had a couple of pigs in a side yard over there between the motorhome and the house. So the ex's house, and broke a water hose, knocked over a propane bottle, and I don't know, nobody knows who they belong to or where they came from. So that's about it on that. So, but I wanted to do a couple, three videos, my favorite clips that I've done over this last year. Been kind of a recap a little bit. We'll start with one of the ones that I just really like this one. I had a good time on this trip, and I was on the way home. So I hope you enjoy. Talk to you again soon. Yeah, got a quart of oil on the hood, so I don't forget to check the oil, obviously. Time to put the solar panels away. Excuse me. It's early morning. Them long shadows, man. Yeah, the only thing I saw this trip was squirrels. Didn't even see any chipmunks. And some birds, of course. Birds are always hunting. There's the old trusty lounge chair sitting under the trees. I didn't even start a fire this morning. All right. So the next stop is going to be home base. I'm going to try to shoot some videos as we come down out of the mountains. Go some high mountains to something in between high desert and high mountains, and we'll go through some high desert stuff, and then we go through the low desert around the lake and the river and all through that, and then up and over the pass and back down into where I live. So I guess we'll see you shortly after the doctor's appointment. I guess you know about that, 26th. So stay tuned for some scenery down the road. Okay, well, we're headed out. So got everything packed up. This road, September 1st, they stopped maintaining it. So anything that happens after the 1st, you're just kind of on your own. It's full of ruts and it's pretty bumpy. Some places are 5 miles an hour, just a bit too fast. So we just take it nice and slow, pull out on the pavement here, and so we can get up some speed and take it on home. This scene here is one of the more famous spots of the Mogollon Rim. It's up there on the road to Woods Canyon Lake. I'm not going to go to the lake this time, but I just wanted to stop in there and show you just how quick and how far we drop. Even down there on the road, it's still pretty high in elevation. I think it's like 5,400 feet or something, but we go from 8,000 feet, 8,005 down to 5,400 or so.